I like these. These look nice.
You talking about something hot?
Arra.
This is
Awesome. Romaine lettuce, Swiss chard.
The cocoon itself has some ability to move around.
You gonna eat it right now? Do it. We have some sweet peppers and we got some hot peppers.
If you're not sure if the pepper is hot or sweet, avoid the seeds to begin with.
right now, guys. We're picking peppers, harvesting peppers.
What's up, guys? We just got to Forum Friday. Well, I did. Everyone went to grab some things. I'm like, let me go ahead and knock out the intro. So we finna get started. You know, it's currently 10:10. We go from 10 to 12 every Forum Friday. I've been here before 10 o'clock though. But yeah, guys, let's get into it. This is all we harvested, guys.
There's like two on the back that are like greenish, oranges.
And then we got some watermelons we're gonna get as well.
Okay. Wait, so this turned the color.
That one's ready. Yeah,
It's ready, baby.
that red one.
Let me see.
I love these.
Ooh, snap. You gonna eat it right now? Do it.
For $1 million.
Is this nasty? You have the thing? This the peppers that be
What you gotta say, Baltimore?
box. Right now, guys, we're picking peppers, harvesting peppers.
Not big.
And this one right here is extra hot and ready. Different colors. Come on in.
Take a few of these and leave some on. So
I like
grab
these. These
some of
look
them that are,
nice.
Like a little bit bigger, that are longer.
Like typically, I would harvest. Just about any of the big ones.
So, guys, I'm over here harvesting some tomatoes that we missed. It's probably a little too small, so let that one stay. And they're nice and red. They got that color. They're pretty much ready. Shake them off. Guys, we're currently out here watering our beds. Here was the bed that we planted within the garlic root. So we halfway got the tray filled and we're doing little gem lettuce as I stated earlier. And she's helping me. And even it out all the way through and through. That's cool. You like me, I like to just use my hands.
Yeah, I like to find the dirt for real.
You probably used to be outside making mud pies.
No.
Yeah, I was shit. Look at make it look easy. I still got a little bit right here. Let me get this one. Let me put this back.
You can put this rest of this dirt back too.
Put this one under here.
Okay, you just go in with your fingers and make the hole. Well, how deep is it say?
It says
1/4.
1/4.
Oh, that's not deep enough. We are putting little holes in the dirt so that we can plant our seeds in here. And these are going to be transplanted outside when they're ready.
As y'all can see, like this. Very, very tiny. And it's one. Oh, Lord.
It's about to be a struggle. It's like them
With your
carrots.
nails. Okay, one at a time. Oh my gosh, this is too little too deep for me. Yeah, I'm gonna shallow. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. I put 2 in that one. Okay, guys, we're done.
Spinach always takes so long, but it's growing so fast here.
So those are the true leaves of the spinach?
No, those are the cotyledons.
You can see.
Cotyledon. That's what it is, y'all. The word I can't remember. Cotyledon. Those are the first leaves
Yeah.
on the spinach.
You can see these are the true leaves. These are the.
And that's what you was trying to show us earlier.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what
And this
this
is-
right here, cotyledon.
Mm-hmm.
And oftentimes the cotyledon looks very different. So here, this is your cotyledon.
Yeah,
True leaves coming up here.
okay. What are you planting? Swiss chard? Okay.
But it just makes
Yeah, I did romaine lettuce as well.
But it's not.
Yeah.
Definitely top reminds me of
we'll
cheese.
need to think And then once they're like very, very ripe,
Oh yeah, you don't be into air. You're a mass communication. Oh my goodness.
whereas the green ones, like
is so
these
out of my
aren't
field.
fully developed yet, so you can't save their seeds.
I did want to find a hobby though. I don't mind it.
Like something like this.
Yeah, Forum Fridays, man. I'm about to Forum Fridays. I'll be out here. So we're all finished up.
These are only aggressive.
Romaine
or,
lettuce,
like,
Swiss
directly
chard,
either attacking the individual
the
or
kale
doing
mix,
something
arugula,
their, mix to color.
little Jim lettuce. That was me and Halima. And what's this?
Pak choy.
Pak choy. And we're gonna get ready to water. Yes. Awesome.
So I can put it up one as like a demonstration, and if anyone else wants to try, you're welcome to. So basically, just kind of go for in between our two pea rows here, and then to start, you just kind of push it in as much as you can, and then bank it. We use our post pounder. So what I do, because this is kind of heavy and use the weight for it, instead of like lugging it up and going like that, I do this. Because I work with my tools and not bring it here, and then you just use this, and basically this, because it's heavy, you kind of just use the weight of it to push down our tea coat. It's kind of loud, just so you know. You want to make sure as you're going that it's straight, you don't get like sideways or crooked or anything. So just stop every once in a while, check. And your goal with this is to get that little tea or this piece a couple inches below the surface of the soil, so that way it's nice and secure for the trellis. So that's really good. Get your piece in, nice and secure for the trellis.
And she said, work with your tools. All right.
Looks like it's good, and then just make sure it's nice and straight. I need to push it. I would push it like this way. Yeah, and give it another whack. We're gonna put it in the center, so kind of leaning up against the two posts.
Mm-hmm.
We probably should have measured, but we were fine. It's always good to measure to make sure you know your adds. So really, we're just gonna set this here, and then Helena has a zip tie, so we can put like 3 zip
Okay.
ties. One at the top, middle, and base to hold on to this post.
It didn't open the way I expected it to.
Should have told me I got some zip ties at
Oh,
home.
wait, it's because I.
It's a hole at
So
the
we
bottom.
both opened it kind of just wonky. Okay.
And they do have some, like, the cocoon itself has some ability to move around. So yesterday when I was pulling it off, it was in our pea, or in our long bean trellis. It was attached to, like, the trellis we just put up.
Mm-hmm.
And I removed it because we were pulling out those plants.
Most of the tomatoes are getting
You
clam
get to
syrup.
separate the
These are
Cayenne pepper.
These are habaneros.
Habanero.
I think these are
Cayenne and habanero.
these
And then we got some cherry
right
tomatoes
here
that I
are
picked,
Hungarian
of
black
course.
peppers.
Let's put those in the basket.
So this is where we are right now. And we're finna try some because we don't know if they're sweet or hot. Go ahead, Baltimore. Try- Okay, Morgan is cutting. Oh my goodness. Are they gonna be sweet?
So jealous. They ain't got no seeds.
So if you're not sure if a pepper is hot or sweet, avoid the seeds to begin with.
So right now we are trying peppers. And we have some sweet peppers and we got some hot peppers. Ooh, we got a variety now.
Pepper challenge? Cute.
Oh, yeah. We have to go help with the cows, probably.
We want to help with the cows?
Yes, that's true.
Baker say don't mess with the animal.
Yeah, I gotta help with the cows. all I do for the cows, I close the gate.
He's still over here struggling. I ain't tried. Somebody try each one.
Oh, I took a big bite.
Of the green.
Whatever she handed me, the Hungarian wax.
I told you.
Your lips are still stinging? Mine are too.
Y'all need some milk.
Yeah.
Need some
I'm
milk.
scared to try this one. It just looked like it's hot.
It looks deadly.
Okay, if you.
I need a tomato to cool off.
What they talking about?
This, hold on, where's that? Y'all need to take this off the market.
What?
You talking about something hot?
I don't know.
This is so
What is it
hot.
called?
Hungarian
30,000 to 50,000 Scoville. All right.
Okay, look up
So
the
to give
one
you all an
that-
idea, habanero.
What
A
we just
habanero is like 2,000. No, not a habanero. I know habaneros are like 5,000.
My nose are burning.
Habaneros are like 5 times spicier than a jalapeno. That's why I was like, is it a habanero? Jalapenos, I can eat jalapenos. I'll be fine. I know jalapenos. I'll
Yeah, those be like
Habaneros
nachos
are-
and
start
everything.
getting hot.
Yeah, jalapenos
Them's
cool.
are between 30,000 and 50,000.
30,000. So that's like 15. That's crazy.